yau ma sun shirya wani operation da suka shirya shine sun ba'adin za su sa irin kayan harasawa din wanda suka mana kiyaye mana traffic din zamu wuce sai su sa, amma za su zo da bindigogi. Sojoji za su zo su wuce sai su bude musu, amma su sojojin ba san za a bude musu, amma su waɗannan da suka za su shiga harisawa, amma su ma sojin su sai su bude ma soja wuta. In suka bude wuta shikenan sai a ce shayes sun bude ma soja wuta. To daga nan kuma fa zance ya dama da bidiyon su suna ɗauka ainihin shi kenan zance ya ƙare, shi'a sun buɗe ma soja wuta, sun kashe sojoji kaza. Saboda haka daga nan kuma sai ainihin sai su kama hanya kuma sai sauran su ci gaba da kashe-kashe.
It was a convoy of the Chief of Army Staff. They decided to ambush him for reasons best known to them. So for anybody to think otherwise or to say otherwise, I think it begs for more questions on that side.
Colonel Usman, very quickly, when you talk about ambush, were they armed?
Certainly they were armed.
What kind of arms were they carrying?
At the least was machete and catapult.
Would you say that, you know, that the army has used excessive force in this case? Because my colleague asked you if they were armed. You said they had machetes and they had catapults. But the army had guns.
I want you to get this clear. I said the least armed.
The least?
The least.
What was the greatest?
Well, I can tell you there were petrol bombs. And there were others hiding behind the trees. They were flanking both by the polo ground and, of course, the quarters, the railway quarters there. They were just springing up.
Right from our history in the movement for the past 40 years, it is known that we have never taken any arms. We have never attacked anybody. We are only trying to make people to understand the true teachings of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So we don't carry arms. And even the soldiers confess that in one of their interviews that they didn't see any gun or something of that nature. They only saw catapult and other local like machetes and other things.
Allow me to come in here, Musa. Sorry to cut you there. We're getting somewhere. Just yesterday we had the army spokesperson, and he talked about the list of weapons carried by the SHI'A members. He said, they had machetes, and they also had petrol bombs.
No. I disagree with that. We have never met any petrol bombs. But machete, who hasn't any machete in the house? Machete is just something that you use in cutting something that is strong. So I see no reason why machete should be termed as a weapon. Machete is not a weapon. How can you compare a gun and a machete? It's just ridiculous. It's not possible. We haven't never used any petrol bomb throughout our 40 years in this movement. We have never carried arms. So they are just trying to make it up that we are the ones who attack them. And it's ridiculous to say that we try to assassinate the Chief of Army Staff. For what reason? Suna nan suna kan za su wata jibara za su yi su ce wai mu ma muna da bindiga ne muna harbi. Da sa sun ji bayanin da na yi jiya wuce ai bindiga kayan mahaukaci ne. Mu ko namu makamin hankali ne. Ku ne mahaukata, ku ne masu kisan kai. Mu muna neman mu tsamar da rayuka ne ba mu kashe rai. Bayan da za a ce shekara 36 muna abu. Rana tsaka ka zo ka ce bar kisan kai mu. Galiban sojojin da suke sojoji yanzu tun kafin a haife su wani ma ba a yawo uwarsa ba muke wannan harka. Amma yanzu wai yanzu zai yana kitsa zai harbi ya ce mu muka yafi. Wai harbi ne a